Formula Botanica's mission is to inspire, to educate and to drive forward the global green beauty movement. We bring together like-minded organic formulators from all over the world who help each other start and grow innovative natural beauty brands and transform their lives through organic skincare. Our 2018 conference, held right in the heart of London, brought together more than 170 past, present and future students who flew in from 35 countries to be inspired by our influential speakers, to take part in our fun workshops and to form new friendships and partnerships. We started the conference with an exclusive formulation workshop in which our elite ticket holders made an organic vitamin C serum using a cold process emulsifier called Sucragel. Working together in pairs, our students had great fun experimenting with new ingredients and following the expert tuition of our education team. We were honoured to welcome our first keynote speaker, the renowned author, educator and essential oil expert Robert Tisserand, who talked to us about natural aromatic compounds and their effect on skin barrier recovery.
Anything transdermally penetrating into the body has to go through alternating layers of lipid and water, which is a challenge for any molecule because most molecules like water or they like fat, but they don't necessarily like both.
Next, we welcomed Ian Taylor, the operations manager at Green People, one of the biggest and best known organic beauty brands in the UK.
I've mentioned several times that ingredients can be either certified organic or approved for use in organic cosmetics. This difference is very important to understand, as it will greatly affect the level or percentage of organic ingredients in your products.
We were joined by a panel of retailers and beauty buyers from Love Lula, Planet Organic, Rare Beauty and Bath & Unwind to answer questions from our students. These retailers all stock at least one Formula Botanica graduate, so it was exciting to hear their advice for new and upcoming international brands. Catherine Collins from Upfront Consultancy ended our second day with a workshop on getting your brand toolkit ready and pitching to retailers. Students animatedly discussed their plans and prepared their brand stories.
If you have products and you're sourcing them from sustainable farms, bring that in, make it relevant. Don't use imagery that's completely irrelevant to your brand. Start that conversation with buyers from the beginning.
On the final day, the audience got spritzed with orange blossom, while Joe Nauser from Avicenna Herbs shared his decades of experience in making and using aromatic waters.
So distillation is essentially a process of separation. You're separating and purifying. So when we distill wine, we make brandy, i.e. we are separating the water from the alcohol. We're making it richer in alcohol. Yeah?
Our second keynote speaker was Antonia Burrell, who reduced some of our students to tears with her very personal and inspirational story, in which she made it clear that we need grit and determination in order to be successful in business.
If you're thinking about it all the time, if it's something that you make sacrifices for, follow it.
Working with beauty bloggers is still a tricky topic for many of our students, so we were thrilled to be joined by Linda Dabo, Anna Green, Ailish Lucas and Lola Skinner, who answered questions on the best way to build relationships with influencers. Melinda Koss knows what it takes to create a successful skincare brand. She shared her wisdom on finding your purpose and building your beauty brand the right way.
The fact that so many of you have travelled so far to be here tells me an awful lot about how much you want to make this happen for you.
Finally, we ended the conference with a panel discussion with Rachel Whitaker, Melinda Koss and Catherine Collins, in which we talked about logistics and the best routes to market. With a room full of smiles, selfies and friendships, our 2018 conference was a heartwarming event that left our students feeling inspired to start their own organic beauty brands. Formula Botanica drives forward the global green beauty movement through our award-winning online courses. If you want to join our amazing community and change your life through organic skincare, sign up for our sample class today.